we received the starter. It took like 2 weeks to get here for this motor. I ordered it before we went on vacation, came back. But this is the starter for the SVO. See, it has the 3 ears. Same starter as the 5.0, but the 5.0 don't have this ear. So it's just 1 and 2. See here. Show it to you right now. See the difference? The same exact thing, it's just missing that 1 ear. See that ear right there? Same thing, it bolts up. It's just missing that 3rd ear. Same exact starter, look at that. 5.0, this is for the V8, and this is for the 4-cylinder turbo. Same exact, same everything, see? Just missing that 1 ear. Teeth are the same. So we got it, and we're going to be installing it today. I'm going to put some grease on it. A little bit of grease on it, not much, just a little. And then we got some bolts here from Bolt Depot. Hopefully they fit. Yeah, I think they might fit. And they go down there, but you guys can't see that. Can you see that? No, you can't see that. So it goes in just like that. Alright, you got the 3 bolts in. They're perfect. These are the bolts I used. We ordered it from Bolt Depot. Alright, that's out of the way. We got the starter out of the way. Let's move to the 5-volt starter. Now let's talk about my intake. My Holley Sniper. So now we had an issue with the carburetor, which I'm running a Holley Sniper on this. So we have this adapter. This is the EF5 from fuel injection to carburetor, but it's only set up for a 2-barrel carburetor. I'm not using a 2-barrel, I'm using 4-barrel. So we had another adapter that went on top of this adapter, which goes from 2-barrel to 4 barrels. So we're not using this because this is going to bring the carburetor, well, Sniper, I keep calling it a carburetor because it's like a carburetor style, but it's going to bring it about this high. And if we bring it this high, it's not going to clear the hood, and we'll have to cut the hood to use this bracket. So if we had that bracket on, we'll get the screw on this so it's not. So what I did, pull this off, put this to the side. My cousin John suggested that I should get an aluminum plate. Basically trace it out for here, and then we're going to trace it out to the bottom of the Sniper. And that's how we're going to make our adapter. So hopefully it works. It works out. So it's going to be like that. We're going to trace it out on the bottom, make our 4 holes, and make the square to go inside the intake. Pretty much right here, make our cut right here, make the 4 holes. And then the cut that we're going to do is going to be the shape of the Holley Sniper at the bottom. So it's going to be this shape. And it's a flat base, so it's going to go right in. And then here we're going to basically drill a hole out like half, like quarter of the plate, so that way the bolt can sit right inside. So this is what we're doing right here. Holley Sniper. Perfect. And then I turned a Holley Sniper this way, so that way I can extend the throttle cable this way, so it won't be in the way of the line. This is the way we're doing it, then it's going to connect right in there, and we're still clear. We're now in the way of the hood. We don't need to cut the hood on the car. Now we got to do is just make our motor mount, and I believe we're going to be doing that today. We're pretty much there. I just got to trace out my motor mount plates, and then I got to make the motor mount for this car. I'm going to make custom mounts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to see if I can use the 5.0 setup. For the 5.0 brackets off the V8, and they still have the the bolt for the K member. So what I'm gonna try to do is, what side to switch? I think this is the side. I don't know what side. No, this is the driver's side. Driver's side goes here. Yes, this is the driver's side. So what we're gonna do here, perfect. I think we could use that. I could modify that to fit. That'd be perfect. Oh yeah. See, put the bolt on this side. I'm gonna make some funky ass brackets because these have the rubber in it. Chopping these ears off. All right, perfect. This one's gonna go here. Perfect. It's out here. That's going to be perfect. Look, so check that out. Can you guys see that? Yes, cannot see that. Let me see if I pause this and bring it. Okay, so these are the 5.0 brackets. See, the brand new brackets I brought for the 5.0. So basically it's going to go in here. And then my passenger plate pretty much going to be right here. And we just got to make a bracket, extend the arm to here. Yeah, I can do this. I can work with this. I can definitely work with this. Just like that. And then I can make my custom arm to fit that. I can definitely today. All right, let me give you a close-up. That's the passenger's, the driver's side, which is not bad. I can definitely work with this. And then the sniper's in a perfect position right there. Motor's plumbed. Excited. I need to get this car done. Just trying to find parts for this motor is so hard. It took me like 3 weeks to find this alternator bracket. Then I had to locate this crank hub assembly. This was another, hard find, and somebody had one used, and I actually bought it off of them. I sandblasted it and powder coated it. We just got to put it onto the crank at the bottom here. Goes right here. And then turbo manifold go on after the mounts are made, and then everything else is easy. This is the hardest part, just building the mount. Everything else is plug and play, pretty much. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on, I believe it'll be part 7. This is part 6, so part 7.